Good afternoon, everyone. I am Swara Somalwar.
And I am Kavya Gandhi.
Today, we are going to demonstrate acid-based experiments using natural indicators. Welcome to our color-changing mystery. First, we are going to understand what acids, basic, neutral substances, and natural indicators are. Acidic substances taste sour and turn blue litmus paper into red. Examples like vinegar, tomato sauce are some acidic substances. Basic are substances that are bitter or feel soapy and turn red litmus paper into blue. Examples are detergent solution, Colgate, or baking soda. Neutral substances are substances that are neither acidic nor basic. Water is the most common example of neutral substance. Natural indicators are obtained from plants. They help us to identify whether a substance is basic, neutral, or acidic. Examples like turmeric solution, litmus paper, and red cabbage juice are some natural indicators. Now let us start our experiment. First we will dip red litmus paper into water. It doesn't change its color. Means we will dip blue litmus paper in water. This also doesn't change its color. That means water is a neutral substance. Now we will dip the blue litmus paper in the vinegar. It turns into red. Isn't it magic? That means it is an acidic substance. Now we will dip red litmus paper into baking soda solution. It turns into blue. That means baking soda is a basic substance. Now we will dip the blue litmus paper again in the lemon juice. It also turns into red. That means it is an acidic substance. Now we will dip red litmus paper into detergent solution. It also turns into blue. That means detergent solution is also basic. Now let's use turmeric as natural indicator. Now we will add the turmeric solution in the water. First we will stir it. It also remains the same yellow. That means water is a neutral substance. Now we will add the turmeric solution again in the lemon juice. It also remains the same yellow. That means lemon juice is an acidic substance. Now we will dip lemon juice in detergent solution. And now we are gonna stir it. It changes into a reddish brown. That means detergent solution is a basic substance. Based on this experiment, we learned that how to identify whether the substance is acidic, basic, neutral by using natural indicators. Thank you.